Hello, pool players. Ron here. Welcome once again to Pool Student Channel, and thank you very much for watching, everyone. Super fired up tonight. I needed to put this video together, and I needed to talk to you guys about something that happened to me today. You know, every Sunday I shoot over at one of the hangouts, and some of the top players in Grand Rapids, in fact, I think the top players in Grand Rapids play there. Our highest guy is I think he's currently a 753 Fargo. Now, he wasn't there today, but there were two others there that are 650s. I think they're actually 658, 660 right in there. And I got to shoot with them both, and it was just the three of us. And they took me kind of under their wing, and they gave me some pointers. And one of them noticed that my grip, and you guys know this, that I talk about this all the time, that he thought my grip was just a little too tight. So what I started to do is I started to shoot when I got home with just two fingers and my thumb. And I couldn't believe it. I ran out right away. I had great control, a lot of action on my cue ball, and I was making the shots, not even thinking about it, just really trying to maintain my loose grip. And what had happened today that made him alert to what was going on with me is I missed a pretty simple lengthy 8-ball, and what he thought I was doing is I gripped my cue in the middle of my stroke and it pulled it offline. And I know exactly what he was talking about. It resonated with me because I felt it. And from that point on, I thought, you know what? I've got to do this. I've got to really be focused on my grip. I've got to make sure that I'm not gripping my cue as I'm moving forward with my stroke. And as you see here, I had a great run. And I actually, before I even turned the video camera on, I had two runouts in a row. And I thought, you know what? Tonight would be a great night to go against the Ghost. But I thought I would just shoot it, turn the camera on and shoot these racks and share them with you. Notice I've got my headset on, my earbuds, just kicking back, listening to my Pink Floyd, and having a good time. I hope that this is not just a fluke and that I was in dead stroke. I hope that this is something, things to come. Now, I'm going to be going to my local tournament. In fact, tomorrow night is my 9-ball. That'll be the second 9-ball tournament ever. Last week was the first one, and hopefully I can carry this over, onto the 7-foot tables, the 7-foot diamonds. They're quite different. This is an 8-foot Olhausen, and they do play different. Mine's a little slower, but hopefully I can take my loose grip, my new loose grip, and go over there and have fun. So that's all I wanted to share with you. I'm going to go ahead and let this play out. Go ahead and watch if you'd like. You'll see a couple of cool shots here. That one I overran quite a bit, and I have to go short side, but I pulled it off. Kind of got fortunate. But anyway, enjoy. Have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below, and I'll answer everyone. And until next time, like I always say, keep on practicing.